I had seen your pictures for your right. So you are a candidate of Norwood 6 or 7 type hair loss, okay? So in your case, you still have some hair on the top of the head, but also at the back, but these are receding here too, and also you will not have these ones in the future. Okay, so 6 and 7 are the end stage of the hair loss, okay?
You're saying I'm receding from the back as well? That's not normal, correct, for most people?
For most people, it's normal.
It is normal for most people.
Here, at the very top of the back part, okay, we call this occipital bone, okay? It's also receding. We have to be smart with you, okay? We cannot be really populistic and bring the hairline really low, okay? Because if I do that, I will increase the recipient zone surface, and then I will not be able to cover it in 2 or 3 sessions, okay?
Yep.
So your hair will be covered in 2 or 3 sessions, but with a wise plan.
Okay, when you say 2 or 3 sessions, you mean like?
One after another year.
I see.
Okay? So we do one now. Maybe if you are not happy with the density, okay, another one year after. Okay?
Is it taking how much grafts you think per?
The graft number is not our concern. Our concern is not to give a scar to your donor zone, so we will keep the existing hair, okay? Let me draw your hairline. I planned for the future, so even if you lose that hair, I want to keep the top of the scalp with nice and dense hair, so you can always use the sides and the back faded, so you will look very nice and good again.
Yep, this is exactly what I wanted.
So that's the plan, let's go.
Today's the post-op care day. Let's go. Wow, I can finally see the new me. Today is the first day of the renewed and improved me. The process felt much easier than I expected. It wasn't as painful as I thought it would be. The doctors explained everything very clearly, so I knew exactly what to expect going into the operation. Everything from being picked up from the airport, getting set up in the hotel, getting taken to the clinic, the actual operation itself, everything about it was just so simple. I would describe this experience as streamlined. Everything was just so perfectly organized where I didn't have to do any thinking. The clinic arranged everything for me and I just followed along. If Caillou could talk, I think he would tell me on the day of the operation that he's proud of me. The fact that I was playing this character and doing all this for so many years and was just patient with it, because I was still pretty young. I was 22 and that's considered too young to get a hair transplant, but I was determined, I was focused, and after a few years I finally got it. I think he will just say that he's proud. So I'd really want my followers to understand, especially the ones that followed me as the grown-up Caillou. I know it can be a little sad. You guys were really invested in me playing this character, acting out in all these videos. I understand this is going to be a big change, but just to let you know, I could still shave my head. I now have the option. I could shave my head, do a few videos, and just grow it back out. This just gives me the best of both worlds. What I would say to the future Marwan watching this video is, I am just so happy for you that you persevered throughout this whole journey, this entire time, having lost your hair, building your startup, working 100-hour weeks, which definitely sped up the hair loss process. And to know that it was all worth it. Your startup succeeded, things are going well, and now you got your hair back. So it's a win-win for everyone. I cannot recommend Smile Hair Clinic enough. It is such an amazing clinic. The doctors were great, the staff, everyone was so friendly, explained everything perfectly to me and guided me throughout the whole process.